Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Only really 2 weeks left in this class. It's kind of crazy. I know we moved a little quicker than we normally do with law and ethics, but you guys are doing great. Exam 1, I know it was a challenge for some people, but overall, I think you did fine. The really big kicker that I want to remind people of, so you have Exam 2 due this week, right? So take your time in that, go through Chapter 11 first if needed, and then take Exam 2. However, next week, your legal research project is due. It's due by the 9th. So if you're having trouble with it, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help in any way. Your final exam is also due next week. I say that in relation to, I don't think the final exam is going to give people a lot of trouble, but the legal research project is the kicker for this class. So take your time in completing it. Exam 2 will be open starting today. Don't feel like you have to take it now. You can take it near the end of the week, and you can do the same with the final exam the next week. But the legal research project is what I'm really honing in on for a lot of you. I want you to be successful in this grade that you get for the class, and if you don't start working on it, then it's going to be really challenging because it's due next week. If you have any questions in relation to anything, please reach out. I'm happy to help in any way. Again, this week and next, you have tests that's due. They're both going to be on the computer. I don't think they're going to give you a lot of problems. They're a little challenging in a way, but the legal research paper is what you need to start working on. Reach out if you have any questions. I'll post in the announcement page the password to Exam 2. And again, there will also be a study guide coming out for the final exam. If you have any questions, let me know. I appreciate all you're doing. Thanks so much.